Hi, this is Mark, and this is English Conversation Practice. 10 very short conversations. Set 38, Hobbies. You play beautifully. Thank you. It's my hobby. The camera really likes your face. Thanks. I model as a hobby. Making pottery is relaxing. It must be a fantastic hobby. That's a beautiful chair. Thanks. Woodworking is my hobby. What are you doing? I'm ordering supplies for my hobby. How do you stay in such great shape? By dancing. It's a great hobby. Are you knitting? Yes, I'm making a sweater. Wow, that's a lovely painting. Thanks, I've been working on it for a long time. Are you a trained chef? No, not at all. It's only my hobby. Where did you learn to do that? Through an online hobby app. Okay, now it's your turn. I will go first. I will be the blue sentences, and you will go second. You will be the black sentences. You play beautifully. The camera really likes your face. Making pottery is relaxing. That's a beautiful chair. What are you doing? How do you stay in such great shape? Are you knitting? Wow, that's a lovely painting. Are you a trained chef? Where did you learn to do that? Okay, let's switch. You will go first. You will be the blue sentences, and I will go second. I will be the black sentences. Thank you. It's my hobby. Thanks. I model as a hobby. It must be a fantastic hobby. Thanks. Woodworking is my hobby. I'm ordering supplies for my hobby. By dancing. It's a great hobby. Yes, I'm making a sweater. Thanks, I've been working on it for a long time. No, not at all. It's only my hobby. Through an online hobby app. Okay, great job. And please don't forget to subscribe, and please ring that bell to get all of my videos, and please check that box to get my notifications, and please join the channel. That would be great. And for worksheets and flashcards, please check out my website, markkulek.com. Okay, take it easy. Bye.